Why a morning walk can change your entire day. If you wake up tired, stressed, or lazy every morning, this is for you. A morning walk is not just walking. It's a reset button for your body and mind. When you walk in the morning, your brain wakes up before your phone does. Fresh air fills your lungs. Sunlight hits your eyes, and your body gets a signal. It's time to move. It's time to live. A morning walk boosts your mood instantly. It releases feel-good hormones that fight stress, anxiety, and anger. Without any medicine, your digestion improves. Your metabolism starts early. That means you burn more calories all day, not just in the morning. And here's the secret most people miss. People who walk in the morning make better decisions. They eat better. They focus more. They react less. Even 20 minutes is enough. No gym, no equipment, no pressure. Just you, your steps, and silence. While others wake up and grab their phones, you grab control of your day. Morning walk builds discipline, and discipline builds confidence. You don't need motivation. You need a habit. Start walking tomorrow morning, and watch your energy, mood, and life slowly upgrade. Because the day you move your body early is the day you start winning before everyone else even wakes up.